It's not possible. A woman cannot be pregnant and be menstruating at the same time. I asked this question before in my previous video based on what some women said, that they were pregnant and they were menstruating at the same time. Now I'm going to correct that. It's not possible. Why? Because whenever a woman misses her period, something comes to her mind. Am I pregnant? Especially if she's sexually active. That's the question she will ask herself, and that will trigger her to run some tests to know whether she's pregnant or not. Because cessation of menstruation, which is amenorrhea, is one of the signs of being pregnant. Now, it's not also possible to be pregnant and be menstruating because we have one uterus. And pregnancy and menstruation happens in same uterus. So both of them cannot be happening at the same time. I will tell you why. Now, whenever a woman is pregnant, something happens to her. There is increase in her body hormones. The level of her body hormones increases, making the walls of her uterus suitable for the growing baby to survive. But whenever there is menstruation, there is decrease in her body hormones. Yes, the level of her body hormones decreases, making the walls of the uterus to shed off. That's the blood and some other materials you see whenever you're menstruating. So you see, the activities of the womb is controlled by hormones. It's either is at the increased side or it's at the decreased side. So there is no way it can be increasing and decreasing at the same time, except if there is problem, which could be maybe miscarriage, abortion, symptomatic fibroid, trauma, stress. So many things can cause bleeding during pregnancy, but not menstruation. Bleeding during pregnancy can also be due to structural abnormalities of your reproductive organs. Now, there is bleeding during pregnancy that is very normal, like it's normal. It's called implantation bleeding. It happens at the early stage of your conception. It happens because the baby was trying to attach itself to the mother's womb. It's very normal. Now, how do you differentiate between implantation bleeding and menstrual bleeding? Now, implantation bleeding is very light. It's not heavy like menstrual flow. And the flow length is shorter compared to menstrual flow days. It's very light. Now, for you not to be confused whether you're having implantation bleeding or you're having miscarriage or abortion during pregnancy, it's good you visit your healthcare provider anytime you notice bleeding while pregnant to rule out abortion or miscarriage. The healthcare provider will examine you and know whether you're having abortion or you're having implantation bleeding. Okay, don't joke with any bleeding during pregnancy. It calls for emergency. I believe this video was helpful to correct the notion of menstruation while pregnant. You are never menstruating while pregnant. It's not menstruation. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, if you have any questions to ask, please put them down in the comment section and share this video so that other women will learn just like you. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.